Given its potential as facilitator for the energy transition, the battery sector needs not only being boosted but also adapting to the key concept of its future. From a sustainability point of view, the sector is integrating new tools that seek to ensure the development of a truly green and responsible industrial activity. Many of them, due to the new regulation generated in the European Union, will be mandatory in the coming year. Knowing this, what are the key terms we need to know to be updated in terms of sustainability in the battery sector? It's common to relate sustainability exclusively to the concept of protecting the natural environment. However, sustainability is not only the responsible management of natural resources, but also of social and economic resources, ensuring a balance between human growth, economic prosperity, and environmental preservation without running out of the planet's limited resources. To understand sustainability, it's very important to take into account three fundamental pillars. The economic pillar, which consists of maintaining a viable economic system over time by efficiently managing financial resources, the promotion of economic equity, and the development of ethical business practices. Social, which ensures that development benefits everyone and promotes a fair and cohesive society, taking into account equal opportunities, respect for human rights, cultural diversity, and the promotion of a healthy social environment. And finally, the environmental, which is the best known and focuses on the preservation and conservation of natural resources and biodiversity, reducing the ecological footprint and pollution and promoting sustainable use of resources. In this sense, there are different sustainability tools that allow us to quantify the impacts of a product or processes. These include life cycle analysis or life cycle cost analysis. Life cycle assessment is one of the most powerful tools for assessing the environmental impact of a product, such as batteries, in order to improve their sustainability. In fact, it provides a detailed understanding of their impacts throughout the product life cycle. The development of an LCA takes into account relevant inputs for this sector, such as raw material, production processes, transportation, energy consumption, and the final disposal of the product, resulting in the environmental performance of the product, for example, indicators such as carbon footprint or water footprint. The LCA helps to make decisions based on the critical points detected, thus becoming a decision-making tool that can act at the key points such as the design or optimization of the production processes. It's also key to obtaining certificates and environmental product labels, providing information on environmental performance. What about life cycle cost analysis? It defines the economic cost at each step of a product life, such as a battery. That it's the initial cost of production, the cost associated with use, maintenance, recharging, and of course recycling of the final disposal. This is why the integration of these two tools in our sector is key, not only to guarantee sustainability, but also to ensure compliance with the requirements of the new regulation. In this sense, the LCA is essential for obtaining environmental labels or certificates such as Environmental Product Declarations or EPDs. But you may ask, what are exactly EPDs? EPDs are standardized documents based on international standards such as Product Category Rules or PCRs, which provide quantitative information on the environmental impact of a product through its life cycle. The information contained in an EPD is generally verified by independent third parties to ensure not only its accuracy but also its reliability, making them valuable tools for transparent communication of the environmental performance of products and thus helping to promote sustainability and informed decision-making in the marketplace. But to ensure the accuracy of EPDs, there are, as I said before, product category rules. These documents are very important because they define, so to speak, the rules of the game for the same product category in order to guarantee the credibility of the study. PCRs are documents establishing the guidelines and requirements for carrying out the environmental life cycle assessment of a certain type of product such as batteries. Their main objective is to ensure that the environmental assessments are consistent and based on solid and up-to-date standards, and therefore they are usually reviewed and updated on a regular basis. In today's video, we have reviewed the concept of sustainability, LCA, EPDs, PCRs. We hope you find these introductory terms useful. In the next video, we will continue to review other concepts that will help you better understand the importance of sustainability in the battery industry.